When disaster strikes, whether it's a storm, flood, fire, or unexpected property damage, having a reliable cleanup crew on your side can make all the difference. Emergency situations require fast, safe, and thorough responses to restore order, minimize damage, and help homeowners and businesses get back to normal. That's where Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company stands out. Serving the greater Austin area, this company has earned a strong reputation for delivering fast, dependable, and efficient emergency cleanup services when they matter most. If you're in a bind, here's why you can count on Austin Central to handle the job with professionalism and care. Rapid response times when every minute counts. In an emergency, delays can cause further damage to your property. Whether it's floodwater seeping deeper into drywall or debris creating hazards on your property, time is of the essence. Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal understands this urgency and offers quick dispatch services, often arriving on site within hours of your call. Their responsive team works swiftly to assess the situation, develop a cleanup plan, and begin the work immediately, minimizing downtime and helping you recover faster. Fully equipped for any emergency. One of the key advantages of working with Austin Central is that they come fully prepared with industrial-grade equipment and trained personnel. Whether it's clearing tree limbs after a storm, removing soaked carpeting and drywall after a flood, or hauling away fire-damaged materials, they have the tools and experience to handle the job safely and efficiently. Their vehicles are equipped to manage everything from large-scale junk removal to specialized pressure washing for emergency sanitation. No job is too messy or complex. Expertise across residential and commercial properties. Emergencies don't just happen at home. They can disrupt businesses too. Austin Central's team is trained to handle both residential and commercial properties, including retail storefronts, office buildings, rental properties, and construction sites. This versatility is especially important in Austin's fast-growing metro area, where property owners need quick turnarounds and minimal interruption. Whether you're a landlord cleaning up after a tenant move out or a business owner needing storm debris removed before reopening, their crew is ready to meet your needs. Safe, compliant disposal practices. Emergency cleanups often involve hazardous or sensitive materials, such as broken glass, moldy debris, or fire-damaged furniture. Austin Central strictly adheres to local safety and environmental regulations, ensuring proper handling and disposal of all waste. By following these standards, they not only protect your property but also ensure the surrounding environment and neighborhood stay clean and safe. You won't have to worry about hidden fees or improper dumping practices. Compassionate, customer-centered service. In high-stress situations, having a cleanup team that treats you and your property with respect makes a huge difference. Austin Central's staff prides themselves on being friendly, understanding, and professional at every step. They know you may be dealing with emotional or financial stress, and they aim to make the process as smooth as possible. Their transparent pricing, clear communication, and helpful team members make them a trusted partner during difficult times. One call for full-service cleanup. With Austin Central, you won't need to coordinate between multiple companies. They provide a comprehensive range of services, including emergency junk removal, pressure washing for mold or residue, yard and tree debris removal, demolition debris cleanup, garage and interior cleanout, post-construction waste removal. Everything you need is handled under one roof, saving you time, money, and stress. Final thoughts. Your emergency cleanup alley in Austin. Emergencies are unpredictable, but your response doesn't have to be. With Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company, you get a team that's fast, reliable, and equipped to handle the unexpected with professionalism and care. Whether you're facing storm debris, fire aftermath, or sudden property damage, their emergency cleanup services are designed to help you regain control quickly. When the unexpected happens, make the smart call, and let Austin Central restore peace of mind.